Addressing the gathering, the managing director, Mr. Nwosu, represented by head of security, Mr. Frank Ejofo, said that Awka residents will start enjoying steady power supply as soon as work in a new injection substation going on inside ABS premises is completed. According to Mr. Nwosu, when completed, the 7.5 MVA transformer presently at Awka substation would be moved to ABS injection substation, giving way for the 15 MVA transformer newly procured by the company to boost power supply. He cautioned against vandalization of their property and assaulting staff of the company while discharging their duties, regretting that about 3 of their high-tension wires were vandalized at Abagana, a situation he said has thrown people of that area into darkness.
We have 2 massive construction going on in Awka districts of EEDC. One is at Awka, where we want to install 15 MVA transformer to serve our esteemed customers. As soon as that project is completed, I'm assuring you that people within this area, in fact, the emergency supply is ongoing. Like we said in this forum, we're likely to get the transformer in the next 2 weeks because we finished payment and they're just going to arrive, and we'll start the installation immediately. Then we have another injection substation for 7.5 at ABS area. Some going as well. The company had invested almost 200 million on this project, and as soon as these 2 major projects are completed, I'm assuring you that people in Awka district will be very happy for it, and of course we are here to make them to be happy.
On his part, the head, Health, Safety and Environment, Engineer Francis Iwu, stressed the need for people to stop building under high-tension wires, describing it as suicidal, adding that they now have the authority to disconnect buildings under high tensions and would sue the owners for violation of power line rights of way.
Why are people encroaching? Why are people building under high-tension wires? You know the implication. You don't know. And you're building, encroaching under high-tension wire. Not approved by government. See the way we are now encroaching. If we are, see, you have a house, you will make an attachment. Gradually, you are coming into the road. And the wires are there on top of your roof. People are dying. If you don't know that people are dying every time because of this violation of right of way.
The head of communication, EEDC, Mr. Mekeze, in a speech, explained that the company is currently carrying out enumeration exercise to know the number of consumers in every district because, according to him, the number of energy distributed is lesser than the number of consumers in Southeast. Mr. Eze called for prompt payment of bills by consumers to enable them import enough energy that will serve the people, adding that metering of consumers has now been regulated by Nigeria Electricity Regulatory Commission, who has devised meter asset provider as new means of metering, which will kick off soon.
The expression of interest we have already deployed. We've advertised. Companies that feel that they are competent enough to embark on this project have indicated interest, and we've zeroed down on the one that we feel will be able to deliver on this project, and we've recommended them to the regulator. All we're waiting for is the final approval and the dynamics of how it's going to work so that we'll begin to engage our customers. Definitely, customers will approach them and they pay for this meter.
Other speakers at the event, including Mrs. Ijoma Ogudebe, who is the manager, Customer Service, and Satoni Obi, who is the manager, Community Liaison, talked on various measures taken by EEDC to have personal relationship with the consumers and the need to channel their complaints to appropriate office, especially in the areas of billing and power supply, for immediate attention. Some of the consumers, including Messrs. Chidube Mwafo, Kasmia Agummadu, and Ozo Okonkwo, laid various complaints, including outrageous bills, faulty transformers, among others, and were cleared on how to tackle their issues. In Awka, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.